Okay, we're going to continue with the photosynthesis. Just now we look at what are the photosynthetic pigments. Now we'll look at how they work together, right? So on the thylakoid membranes, right, we have many chlorophyll and carotenoid molecules. They're all embedded on the thylakoid membrane, but they are not embedded like randomly. Okay, so they are embedded in clusters. Like this, if you see, so the bottom is actually the thylakoid membrane, right? All these are the heads, right? Structure of the chlorophylls and carotenoids. Okay, so they are together as a cluster, and this is known as a photosystem. Right? So on the thylakoid membranes, there are many clusters of such photosynthetic pigments, many photosystems. Okay, so when they cluster together, right, you can see the whole area is covered by the photosynthetic pigments, so that increases the surface area for more light to be absorbed. And then that's how we mentioned also, right, different chlorophylls, different carotenoids, each absorbs slightly different colors or wavelengths of light, even though mainly the violet, blue and red region, but different shades, right, of violet, blue, different shades of red. Some might even absorb other colors, because we have so many carotenoids. So together, right, they can absorb quite a wide range of different colors and different wavelengths, and that again, right, increases the amount of light that can be absorbed. So a lot of light energy can be captured, right, by all the photosynthetic pigments in such photosystems. And that's how we mentioned, right, the energy of the light, right, that is captured is used to excite electrons, right? So the energy, right, will be passed from one photosynthetic pigment to another, like one chlorophyll to another, until it reaches something called the reaction center chlorophyll. That's like some special chlorophyll that will actually use the light energy to excite electrons. But so not all chlorophylls excite electrons also lah, right? Like it's only like these very special chlorophylls found at a region called the reaction center of the photosystem that will use the light energy that other chlorophylls, other carotenoids pass to it, right, to excite electrons. The excited electrons will then be passed to the electron transport chain to make ATP and reduce NADP. So again, that's how the light energy is converted to chemical energy, right, through the excitation of electrons and also through the electron transport chain to make ATP and reduced NADP. Right, so light energy becomes captured in the chemical energy stored in ATP and reduced NADP. We repeat this again later when we look at the light-dependent reactions, right? So again, a bit more on the photosynthetic pigments, right? You see here two graphs. The graph on top, right, shows the efficiency of absorption of different wavelengths or different colors of light, right, by the different photosynthetic pigments. Now we have two types of chlorophyll, right, and in general carotenoids in general, right? So again, these carotenoids is actually like an average of many different types of carotenoids. Okay, so you can see that different photosynthetic pigments, right, absorbs slightly differently, right, with different efficiency, different wavelengths, but mostly, right, at 400 plus, around this region, 400 plus to 500, right, and also this 600 plus, close to 700 nanometer wavelength region. So that would be the blue-violet here and the red color here. Okay, and that corresponds also to the rate of photosynthesis in different wavelengths, right? You see the highest rate of photosynthesis is also in the wavelength region of blue-violet here, 400 plus to 500, and the red color region, right, which is 600 plus, close to 700, right? So the two graphs, right, when we measure the efficiency of the absorption and also the rate of photosynthesis for different wavelengths of light, we see the similarity lah. So this proves, right, that the light absorbed by the photosynthetic pigments surely are the light that drives photosynthesis. And indeed, the photosynthetic pigments are the ones that absorb the light for photosynthesis. Therefore, the similarities between the absorption and also the rate of photosynthesis in this range of different wavelengths. So that's all about photosynthetic pigments lah.